Okay, Bob, I'm going to show you the problem that I've been talking about today on email. I have a component in the toolbox here, which I'm going to drag on. Now this component responds to the metadata of the input, and you can see that when we drag an input on, it automatically uses reinitialize metadata to set the output metadata of this thing. Now, if I was to change the incoming metadata by, I don't know, dragging on something here, done, you'll see that it fails to validate now. We've got an error or a warning. The component has inconsistent metadata. So if I double click, the component is not in a valid state, this is expected, click on yes, and we'll launch it into advanced properties. I click OK, everything's fine. Okay, now what happens if I just do that? I need to close down this project so I can reopen it. So I'll go back to the source code for my component, and I'm going to change the NoEditor to true. And I'll compile that and deploy it. I should have turned off code analysis, never mind. Okay, it's compiled, and I've got a post build events which gaps the component and copies it to pipeline components folder as well. So if I open up the same package as before, oh, excuse me a minute, I need to connect to our TFS server. This guy. So the change that we've made is that the component that I'm going to use no longer has an editor. It has NoEditor equals true in the DTS pipeline component attribute. When it opens, okay, head into the toolbox. Here's our guy. I drag it on. Connect up an input, and everything's okay at that stage. That's exactly the same. Now let's go and change the metadata of the input. Again, just drag on any old column, it doesn't matter what. This time fails validation. Double click, I get the same dialog as before. I click yes, nothing happens, and it can't validate. And it doesn't call reinitialize metadata, as you can see. Now I can force it to call reinitialize metadata by deleting the input and reattaching, but I'd rather not do that. So hopefully that's shown what the problem is. I'll leave it up to you.